Additive manufacturing just got so much easier. Introducing the BigRep VIIO 250, our most automated 3D printer ever. With a massive build volume you expect from BigRep, produce complex parts, functional prototypes, factory tooling, and more. VIIO's dual smart manufacturing extruders use advanced sensors for superior monitoring and control. Equipped with 0.4, 0.6, or 1.0 millimeter nozzles for high-resolution printing or maximum throughput. Print strong parts with BigRep's wide range of quality filaments or use any compatible third-party material, because all BigRep machines are open material systems. With a temperature-controlled build chamber, 350 degrees Celsius extrusion, and keep-dry filament bays, you can successfully print engineering materials for industrial applications. Fully automated calibration is faster and easier than ever. Thanks to relay mode, the other extruder automatically takes over when one spool is empty. For limitless printing, even during dual extrusion, the Infinity Box seamlessly exchanges filament. To print massive parts with minimal effort, the VIIO 250 can even resume printing after a power outage. Automate your collaboration with auto-sequential printing. The VIIO will automatically print the next compatible job in your queue. Stay connected with remote monitoring and notifications. Spend less time printing and more time doing. The next level of automated production. BigRep VIIO 250.